Okay, so I have a worksheet here that I've put together. I've got all my territories along the top, and I've got my monthly labels along the side there. I put this thing together, print it out, give it to my boss or whoever, and my boss says, "That's great, I love it, but can you do me one little favor?" And I say, "What's that?" He goes, "You need to flip it. I really wanted to see the months along the top, and I wanted to see the territories along the side." Because that's usually what people like to see. I mean, people are kind of used to seeing any kind of a time element as far as labels going along the top. That's not a rule or anything like that. It's just people are kind of used to that. So I made a mistake. I probably should have done the other way. Now, am I going to have to go back and redo this whole thing? No. All right, so let me show you the progression of this. I'm going to show you a couple different ways of making this happen. Now, a lot of my students that I've had in the past have shown me that they were able to do part of this, but not the whole thing. They did it in a very, I guess, clumsy way. All right, so I'm going to show you that clumsy way because it might be something that you might want to do. All right, you can actually just take one part of this. Let's say we're going to take this part here. And what we want to do is we want to take that whole thing there and we want to make it go vertical. Okay, now we can't do it on top of itself, so we have to maybe put it down here. So you select that area, you right click it, you hit copy, then let's say we'll go down to, let's say, maybe row 17 here. We'll do a right click on that, and we're going to hit this button right here, which is the transpose. We click that, and there it goes and gets transposed. Now, what I've had a lot of people do is they thought that that was the way they had to do it. So could you imagine having to go to the next one here, let's say to January, go all the way across with that one, right click it, hit copy, let's say we go back to here, right click it, and then hit our transpose. I mean, you can do it that way. That's going to take you a while to do. I love this also, the fact that it's able to take a formula that was originally going across and actually change it completely to where now it's adding up going down. I mean, that's pretty wild. So that would be a very slow way of doing it, but in case you ever had a situation where you just had a little piece of something that you needed to switch around, that's how you would do it. The better way would be to just select everything, just select the whole thing like that, all right? You right click it, you hit copy, all right? Now we'll go down to where we want to put it. So let's say I want to start it here, right click it, hit my transpose, click that, and there you go. Once you've done that, we no longer need this up here, so we can actually just select from row 1 down to row 15. And by the way, too, you could transpose this onto a different sheet if you wanted to, maybe because you want to keep both of them, right? For whatever reason, right? Anyway, so you select it, right click it, hit delete, it pulls it all up. Then all you really have to do, probably the easiest thing here would be to select everything, hit the select all right here, point to any one of the borders here, double click it, and that will get it just right as far as the column widths. You can also do the row heights by going like here and double clicking that, and that'll get all the row heights perfect. Then if you needed to, you could say, you know what, I want to make row 11 just a little bit taller, make row 1 a little bit taller, all right? And then you can actually select all the way across like that and make it centered, and make it centered between the top and bottom as well. So something like that. See? Same thing over here, we could select that, make it centered. Well, yeah, maybe not. We could probably, doesn't matter on that one, but the main thing is centering it this way. There we go. How about that, huh? Do borders and all kinds of things, but we're not doing that right now. So you get the idea. That's all we have to do. Now, let's say that you had it this way originally. So I'm just going to review this to make sure we have this. And I want to flip it back the other way. All right. So again, all you have to do is just select that area, right click it, hit copy, all right? Go to where you want to put it. Let's say you want to put it on a different worksheet. So we go to a different worksheet, create a new one here, right click up here, and then we're going to go and do the transpose, and there it is. And then again, all you have to do is select it all, double click one of the borders, there you go, and then do the rest of your formatting. But that's pretty easy. So what a great tool to completely flip your worksheet with very minimal side effects, I guess, right? All right, so I hope you liked the video. Hope you can start using this stuff. Take care.